working on the Volkswagen Phaeton. Unfortunately, the blower motor continues to run while the car is off, so a lot of times that might be a solenoid for it. If you see me press it together, you might hear it running. Car's off. Hear that? And the car's off, so usually that means the solenoid is no good. So I'm going to take it out, and see, I'm using a T30 on my automatic drill, as you can see, to take it out and try and get an idea of what's going on. Up in here, so there's 4 T30 that I removed, and actually to get to it apparently, so it won't fall. I'm going to have to remove the wiper blades. Try and get that in there to see if I can remove it. So all these have to come up. I'll see if I'm going to do that or if I'm going to find a different way. But that's how you can try and diagnose if the blower motor solenoid, the module rather, is good or not. So the car's off. I had disconnected it because it kept going and it would drain the battery. Hear that? So that is what's going on. Let me get you in there so you can see. Just gonna press it. Just really disconnect it in case it's happening to you. You can disconnect it from there until you have time to work in it or get it fixed. This piece came off here. A few projects I'm working on, as you can see. So I'll get back to you on that. I'll see if I get down there.